Hi everybody, it's me, Dr. Tim Godek at Morse Chiropractic, and today I'm going to talk to you about cracking your own neck. A lot of people say, is it wrong that I crack my own neck, or am I hurting myself when I pop my neck? The short answer is yes. You should not be doing that because you're not doing it correctly. Inside everybody's neck, there's a thing called the joint plane line, where all the joints kind of lay on top of each other. And as a chiropractor, I can feel when those joints open and how to properly give an adjustment so that everything moves where it should. When you're adjusting your own neck, like here, that's the joint that hurts. And you feel like you need to do a self-adjustment. And you go ahead and you do it, and you hear like a couple of pops or a couple of cracks. You think, yeah, I got it. Well, no, what you actually got was the joint above and the joint below, because you're not using the proper joint plane line. So you adjust your own neck, you hear a couple pops, you think you did a good job, and you feel better for a few minutes, and then a little bit later, you're like, I have to do that again. Pop, pop. A little bit later, you have to do it again. Pop, pop again. You just keep not getting what you should. With a proper adjustment, we take care of that restricted joint and help everything start to heal up the way it should. When you do this, you just create more chaos, more inflammation. The other thing you're doing is you're overstretching your ligaments in a way that they shouldn't be stretched. And over time, you start getting ligament laxity, which means the ligaments that are holding up your neck become a little bit loose, which means the posture of your neck is compromised, which means you're going to have more restricted joints, more muscle pain, which means you're going to crack your neck a little bit more, and then it's going to create more ligament laxity, more restricted joints. It's just not something that you want to do. Have your chiropractor adjust your neck and get yourself a properly adjusted neck, get your joints taken care of, keep yourself healthy. Hey, thank you for watching. Have a great day.